Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss how we set up the Visual Studio for the Python. Okay, so first of all, we need to install the Python in our system, and now I am going to show the setup for the Windows machine. So first of all, we need to download and install the Python. If you have already installed the Python in your um, system, then you can skip this step. So I have opened here python.org/downloads URL. Here you can see there is a download Python option. Click on this. It will download the Python 3.11.0. Download done successfully. Click on installer file. Click. So by default, you can see this is going to install C user admin appdata local programs Python and Python 3.11. So we can customize this path, we can change this path. So I'm not going to install at this location, I will change the path. So I click on the customize installation button, click on next. Here you can see it will ask where we need to install the Python. So I am going to directly install under the C drive, C Python 3.11 folder. But now it will install under the C drive within Python 3.11 folder. Click on install button. It will prompt ask like to admin privilege. Click on yes button and it will start installing the Python. Now here Python installation done. Click on close button. Okay. Next step, we need to download and install the Visual Studio Code. Search the Visual Studio Code on Google, and you will see the link code.visualstudio.com. Okay, /download, or you can directly navigate this URL. So there you can see first option is Windows, second is for Linux, third is for Mac. So I'm going to download this for Windows machine. So I will click on the Windows option. So click on this, you will see it will start downloading. So two-time click, let me cancel this. Click on the installer file. Yeah, it launch the installer. Click on accept. I accept the agreement. Check radio button. Go to the next. Again next, next, next. Click on install button. Now Visual Studio Code is installing in the system. Click on finish button and it will, when it launch, you will see the screen looks like this. And now what we need to do, we need to add the Python extension. So for that, go to the extension menu, like left side, you can see the extension. Search here Python and enter. This is first link. You can see the Microsoft here, and if I click, you will see this screen. Click on the install button and it will start installing the Visual Studio Code extension. This extension will support Python language, and it will support actively supported version of the Python, like greater than 3.7. It including the features IntelliSense, linting, debugging, code navigation, code formatting, refactoring, variable explorer, test explorer, and more. So these features will supported by this Visual Studio extension. Installation is done. Go to here and then open folder. So I have already created one folder in user C drive. So under my working directory, like Python, So I'm going to select this folder. Folder is selected. Folder is selected. Let's add here some file, like I'm going to create demo.py file and click on enter. Okay, and let's add here some Python code like print. You can see automatically we are getting the suggestion, and this is the testing. Okay, if you want to run, just right click, run Python file in terminal. Click on this, you will see the output. Print testing. So now one function created. So let me call this function here test. If I run here, you will see the messages. Now our Visual Studio is ready to write the Python code. We can use the Visual Studio code and practice here for Python.